Today, the NDA alliance had their official meeting with all their elected members of parliament. This meeting was organized in the central hall of the old parliament building. In this meeting, PM Modi, while delivering his speech, took a dig at the opposition India alliance. Hello, this is Zamina. Welcome to Mood Tiranga. PM Modi did this over the opposition's allegations about the credibility of the electronic voting machines. Modi said that after the declaration of results, he was concerned if the EVMs are dead or alive. Here he was referring to allegations of the EVM rigging. Modi further said that he feels sorry for the India alliance when they question technological advancement of EVMs and Aadhaar. Modi alleged that opposition India bloc tried to weaken the Election Commission of India by blaming the EVMs. He said that before elections, opposition India bloc were blaming EVMs and making people lose faith in the democratic process. He further took jibe and said, "I thought they would take out the funeral procession of the EVM." Let's hear the speech now.
जब 4 जून के नतीजे चल रहे थे, मैं तो अपने काम में कुछ व्यस्त था। बाद में फोन आना शुरू हो गए, तो मैंने किसी को पूछा, यार ये तो ठीक है आंकड़े वांकड़े, तो मुझे ये बताओ कि ईवीएम जिंदा है कि मर गया? क्योंकि ये लोग तय करके बैठे थे कि भारत के लोकतंत्र और लोकतंत्र की प्रक्रिया के प्रति विश्वास ही लोगों का उठ जाए, और लगातार ईवीएम को गाली देना। और मुझे तो लगता था कि शायद इस बार वो ईवीएम की अर्थी का जुलूस निकालेंगे, लेकिन 4 जून शाम आते आते उनको ताले लग गए, ईवीएम ने उनको चुप कर दिया। ये ताकत है भारत के लोकतंत्र की, ये ताकत है भारत की निष्पक्षता की, ये भारत की ताकत है भारत के चुनावी तंत्र की, चुनाव आयोग की। और मैं मानता हूं कि ये आशा करता हूं कि 5 साल तो अब ईवीएम शायद मुझे नहीं सुनाई देगा, लेकिन जब 29 में हम जाएंगे तो फिर से शायद ईवीएम को लेकर के नाचने की शुरुआत करेंगे।
This doesn't end here. Modi targeted Congress party over their performance in the elections. He said that even after 10 years, Congress cannot touch figures of 100 seats. He said that even if we combine 2014, 2019 and 2024 elections, then Congress did not even get as many seats as the BJP got in 2024 elections. Today, Modi was formally elected as the parliamentary leader of NDA and the leader of Lok Sabha. After meeting with NDA's elected MPs, Modi met L.K. Advani and Murli Manohar Joshi. According to BJP leader Prahlad Joshi, Modi will take oath on 9th June at 6 p.m. for the third consecutive time. After all this, responding to PM Modi's EVM Zinda Hai jibe, Congress leader and Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar said that the opposition would definitely answer. He said that the bloc has been collecting evidence and would soon get back to the issue. This is how Modi attacked Congress party and the India alliance while addressing the elected MPs of the NDA bloc. He used EVMs to target India bloc in his speech, as India alliance has always raised concerns over EVMs. Well, that's all for this episode of Mood Tiranga. Till then, keep watching SW News English for all the updates. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.